guys, this is Young. Today I want to talk about essential 5 accessories that I use to make Osmo Pocket vlog happen. Right now I'm having a little bit of feast because I'm right next to a floating market called a Pangnam floating market.
In the shadows of a million stars, shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck.
Except I haven't really seen a lot of floating boats, but still there are plenty to eat.
Send me a letter and a bottle of wine.
Oh, and today I'm gonna do a little giveaway. Actually quite a big giveaway, so you guys definitely want to stay tuned until the very end. So of course the first accessory is the microphone. Microphone is the most important, and as you guys can see in the GoPro shot, I use the Rode lav mic. The quality is fantastic, especially in the Chinatown of Bangkok. I was using the exact same setup. Slow-mo, I think it's important that you get some of the sequence shots. And you guys can hear me clearly. You know, I use actually Rode Wireless Go often, especially with my A6400, because you actually don't need such a great distance. The lav mic works just fine. So the second device, you guys have probably guessed it. You need a decent mount that actually allows you to have microphone stuck onto Osmo Pocket, because Osmo Pocket is designed in such a way that its microphone adapter goes at the bottom of the device. I hope they actually amend it in the second round if they ever come up with Osmo Pocket 2. However, this company called Tiny Rigs, they've actually made a selfie stick holder, which basically means you can attach your Osmo Pocket to any GoPro mount and be able to put in the microphone adapter as well as lights, even Rode Wireless Go that I use often. And it has a very secure lock and screw design, so you can actually attach it in different directions as you wish. And you guys know how I killed off my Osmo Pocket a couple of times. So I actually got myself again a gimbal lock from Polar Pro, and this is perfect, especially if you like having Osmo Pocket sort of stuck on the selfie stick. So it's a lot more convenient. And another accessory that I've been recommending is the wide angle lens. Right now when I'm holding my selfie stick, it's sort of like, well, maybe not arm's length, but when you stretch out, you get this kind of view, which means you always have the arms straight. So if I sort of fold my elbow a little bit, I can seem a little bit big. And especially if you're in a beautiful surrounding, maybe not really here, but you might actually want to get the wide angle lens hop on. Then you get more of the view like here. This is the difference. You need to make sure that you turn on and off Osmo Pocket before putting it on. And sometimes at certain angle, I don't know exactly what kind of angle, the wide angle lens can put a little bit of strain on the gimbal. Now it's fine. But which means sometimes it can give a little bit of jittery shakes. But this is the only lens that's currently staying on my Osmo Pocket. Some other ND filters I'm a little bit lazy to put on, but wide angle lens is always there with me. Last but not the least, it's a little bit cliche to say, but it is a really important piece of accessory. It is, of course, the selfie stick. You guys can see I'm actually using Gorilla Pod 3K. I can actually put it on the ground with it stood up. However, I do also like using selfie like I'm using with GoPro here. This is SP selfie stick for GoPro. It's super strong and it is like a meter long. But lately when I've been vlogging, I just keep on using this Gorilla Pod because I can use it sort of standing down and also put my heavy camera on, etc. if I need to. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I'm actually going to give away the Rode Lav Go. So it's actually this lav mic that I'm using, but of course the new one, because I actually got 2 lav mics from Rode Mic Go for my sort of very short appearance in their advertisement. It's quite tiny. So if you're interested in getting the Lav Go microphone, please comment down below why you need the new Rode Lav mic, for what purpose you have to write it, and hashtag Rode Lav Go mic. So who knows, you could be the lucky winner. And I'll see you with the next vlog. Okay, I was gonna wave, but I can't. See you!